of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today in this video, I am bringing you some of the tools I use to conduct my journal business, right? And I just remembered another one that I don't have in the tab already open, but I will open that up. Remember, if you are new here, you can join all of my other subbies by subscribing and making sure you hit the notification bell. I am here bringing you 3 to 4 videos every week, normally on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. When I do a new series, most of the time I either do the videos back to back or I put them in a playlist where you can see here. When you start on one video, you can check the playlist out and just kind of binge watch the entire thing. Lots of great information. The journal business series is one for the books that you should definitely binge on. So let me know what playlist that you are enjoying so far. So let's get into this video. All right, so my number one tool I use for my journal business and for like just journals in general is Canva. A lot of my tutorials, you see me create things in Canva. I've created interiors in Canva covers in Canva, mock-ups, social media stuff, all in Canva, t-shirts. I just love Canva. I should be on the board of Canva's directory, okay? So quickly, I'm going to jump in here and pop up a small PDF because this is another tool I use, especially if I'm creating a certain amount of interiors in Canva. They go up to 100. And if I wanted to like merge that PDF document, I definitely use small PDF. Another good thing that is good for small PDF, you can take a JPEG and turn it into a PDF. You can take a PDF file and turn it into a JPEG. You can edit PDFs, share documents. You can number your pages, split it, unlock it, protect it. There's so many things you can do with this, and it's for about $6.99 a month. So that is the second tool that I normally use. Also, I use BookBoat. I do have an affiliate link in the description box for BookBoat, but BookBoat is more than just that. They have the key KDP category finder, interior wizard, and then they have the interior to PDF Pro. You can also check out my BookBoat video that I have on my video, kind of just on my channel, showing you how to use BookBoat. It's a pretty good service to use when you're doing research as well. All right, so Creative Market. I've talked about this in a few videos, but I use Creative Market for different elements. They do have journal templates or just other templates. Sometimes you just don't feel like creating an interior yourself. Why not just buy it? You can buy fonts, you can buy pretty designs. You see they have some maze and puzzles and stuff. Sometimes all you need is a pretty cover that you created, and you can buy the template for the interior, right? So another tool that I use a lot is Merch Informer. You can use Merch Informer for product research, automation, keyword research, built-in designer, TM protection, and then they also have lots of other trainings. I don't think I've signed up for their affiliate account, but I think that is something that I will definitely pursue, right? I need to sign up for their affiliate account. So let me go ahead and favorite that so I can remember to do that and then come back and bring you guys an affiliate link. So if you do decide to sign up for Merch Informer, I can get a little coin, okay? So the next site is Creative Fabrica. I am going to start uploading some of my interiors here as well because they do have some journal templates and interiors on Creative Fabrica. So this is a good place for you to just kind of start uploading or finding interiors as well. Another website I use normally for interiors now is Tangent Template. Before I used to create all of my line templates, but sometimes it's just easier to have a site that has ready-made templates that you could just download and use in your book. I know it gets a little overwhelming when everybody starts to have the same interiors, but for like just regular journals and stuff, I don't too much worry about it, and I'll just use some of these if it's something quick that I'm testing out. And then if I see that it's selling, I'll go ahead and create a different variation of that book in a different category. But this is great for you to get started. I believe it's like $59 or something like that. So book report is another good one if you want to just get into a book report account. It kind of breaks things down how much you make a day. It makes this great cha-ching sound every time you log in and you've made a sale. So it's super motivating. Also, it helps you break down the amount of money you made by month, year of all time, and it shows you how much of that one book. Yes, Amazon KDP does that, but this just gives you a different look to help you stay on top of your journal business. So another place that you can get journal interiors from, see, there's a finance planner here. There's some other journal interiors on Etsy. You see that? Get 6 ready to use KDP templates. Bam. So a lot of people are starting to put their templates everywhere. And that's good for your business. So if you sell templates, think about selling them on Etsy as well. So I'm going to go over and show you guys all of the extensions that I use. So I use Amazon Keyword Tool. I use AMZ Suggestion Expander. Book Report has a extension. I use DS Amazon Quick View. I use KDP Spy. I use Keywords Everywhere tool. And then Tangent Template also has a list building extension where you can like kind of save your categories, keywords, and brand for certain journals so you don't have to continuously plug that in. There's a few other sites that have that as well, but I just want to kind of show you in action what some of those extensions do. So here, I typed in Halloween notebook, Halloween journals because it's coming up. So these tools help you to see, what the BSR is, the ranking. So it's just an expanded view. So I'm going to click on this Halloween journal. Here you can see that. So it, just kind of help you out to see where most of the people are making their money or what they're buying, and the ranks and stuff like that. So it could be possibly like something that you should get into by just looking at the numbers, okay? So that's very helpful when you're deciding on a new, like a new niche to get into. And here I typed in Halloween coloring books. Again, you can see it tells you it's a FBA seller here, the paperback. These are coloring books. They have very low BSRs, which could be a good niche to get into. A lot of them are under 50,000. So again, that's pretty good. And then you have this one that is in the 2000s, which is holding a tight spot in the charts here. Where did I go? Did you do that just now? Yeah, so it's like number three, number three, number two. So this is definitely something that is up there. It's probably well put together as well. And then when you do the search extension stuff, so here you see how it has here, and then you have the extra stuff to see more keywords. It says Halloween coloring books for children, and then keywords after activity book for kids, adult activity book ages 4 through 8. That's just kind of help you out a lot. Also, some of these expansion things are good for finding things on YouTube as well. Um, I don't know if you guys knew that or not, but it is very helpful, especially for the keywords everywhere. So I'm going to type in my channel name and I'm going to type in journal. Let's see. And then here, so basically it says that my channel is one of the top channels. For that, here, maximum views, now it says 17 videos, maximum views 7.7, average views 900, average age, keywords title added in the last 7 days, there's 2. So this is keywords everywhere. and then it gives like an even bigger, you know, detailed breakdown of people who are kind of in my business and how much views my videos had, how many keywords in the title, how good the video is within the past week. So, yeah, it shows a lot. Like this video was uploaded 11 months ago. It only had 275 video views, but then also this one was uploaded 5 months ago and had 7.7K views. So this is just like a full review of my channel as it pertains to journals. So I hope that those little tips will help you, and maybe you can start using some of these systems or websites for your journal business. And until next time, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I love you more than I love this video. Peace.